Look at this. We are asked to simplify this. The first thing I look out for is, are the bases all the same? Because if I see similar bases, that informs me that these are family, same group. Luckily, there's 10 here, there's 10 here, there's 10 here, there's 10 here. Very good. Okay? Then I look at the numerator. This and this, what is separating them now? It is minus. If it is minus that is separating them, very lucky. I cannot apply the second law of indices. There is a question I saw divide like this. A student was asking me, why did you use the second law of indices? No. If it is divide that is separating the two of them, you cannot use the law of indices. That's the second law of indices. That divide is written like this and minus is written like this. They are all horizontal. Doesn't mean they are the same. The only time you can use the second law is where there is minus like this and the base are the same. With this now, I will add these two guys to come back together to reconcile. How do I do that? I will take one log to the base of 10. This first one divide by this second one. They are not together. Because if they are together like this, by divide, then when we want to separate them, we can separate them like this. We are returning them back to be friends again. Now, I will come to this place now, do the same thing here, take one of them, say 4, divide by 2. Okay? You know what to do here. You know what to do here. Basic arithmetic. That is to say, log. This is 2. Because 8 divided by 4 is 2. The same thing with this. This also 2. 4 divided by 2 is also 2. This and this are the same. Apply normal arithmetic. When you have an apple divided by an apple, is 1. So if this and this are the same, this one, therefore the answer is 1. Okay? Hope you understand this. Thank you.